Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 12th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So the Aussie dollar made a really nice push up. A lot of the other dollar pairs yesterday at the CPI news didn't really move a whole lot. Aussie dollar ended up making another higher low, and just pushed up beyond these previous highs. Now I have my Fibonacci retracement on here with the extra fib levels because for me these are definitely going to be areas of resistance. The 123.6 I think is going to be a pretty good area of resistance on the way up, which means that this move down is very likely just a pullback to this last wave up, and I think it will make another higher low, and we will get at least another push to the upside. Now going down to the 1 hour time frame, it may need to make a more proper pullback, and a proper pullback could possibly take a day or so. So we have our Fibonacci retracement on here. We're going to watch our key levels, the levels between 38 and 78% to see if we get some sort of a three-way pullback and then a nice engulfing move to the upside at one of these fib levels for another long opportunity. But like I said, it's probably going to pull back to at least one of these levels right here before it goes long again. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.